we're jumping back into this. We got week 6 here. I haven't said this in a while, but it's your boy Sean with Ailsa Cutieflys for Cute and Fly. That's a real fun callback. I don't even think I've said that at all this season. Jeez. But week 6, I'm going against Liam and the Bravest bird. I didn't name my mons. We're gonna do this quick. Oh no, it's not Greninja, it's Gekuga. Oops. Hey fam. I'm just waiting on the moment to go invite him, and he was offline, but he is ready. Kristen Best Waifu. Lemmy Malem. I don't even, what was this thing's name? Oh yeah, Vsauce Michael here. Vsauce Michael here. Alright, so yeah, I'll invite him in this. Actually, I'll make sure he's online anyways. Alright, he is online. Oh, I'm not online though. Oops. I can't even log in. Alright. I'll just get ready to send him this. Anything goes. Oh, wait. Team builder. I have to change this. I had to change my team a bit. I had just telling him 1 second. He's ready to go. But talk about the team quick. So this is my, I don't know if this is my lead yet. If he brings Talonflame, I want to lead off with Stealth Rock. Maybe Rain Dance into Stealth Rock. Just because I don't want to have to deal with a priority Talonflame later. Just so in case any of these faster mons get going, I don't have to deal with a Choice Band and Brave Bird or something. I don't think he's brought it yet though. But yeah, Stealth Rock, Seismitoad, sort of hit different things. Focus Sash as well. So if the Volcarona does get out of hand, I have that. Choice Specs Battle Bond Greninja destroys him. For the most part, with one of these moves, I think it can KO pretty much anything. Unless he just brings like something super special defensive. So that's why I want Rocks to break stuff. I have to just watch out. Greninja does outspeed everything except for the Talonflame, as long as I'm Battle Bond. But then even then, like if I have the Rocks up, I don't want to take the Brave Bird still. But actually, I do outspeed him with a Battle Bond. On my sheet I have him faster than me just because I do start off 122. Sharpedo once again, just to break things. Deblade, one of the only things I have to care about with most of my attacking fast mons is like a Choice Scarf Kartana. So that's why I have this. It also can fend off against me and Xiao. I don't want that to be scarfed either. We have Raikou and then Starmie here at the end. And they're both, once again, Starmie. I have Psych Up because if his Volcarona gets out of hand, I can actually Psych Up and then just sweep. As long as I think if he gets like 2 Quiver Dances up, I just outspeed everything, even if someone's Choice Scarf. And that's also why I want Rocks, because I don't want to have to deal with the Gale Wings Talonflame. But yeah, most of my attacking mons can hit really hard, so we'll see how this goes. We'll challenge him now. So we'll just wait until that starts. Oh, here it does start. Alright, that's pretty much the... Yeah, so Volcarona, he doesn't have the G-Fogger. I don't think that gets Rapid Spin. He could go that off the bat, but like I'm faster and I could knock him off, and then I could get rocks up. He doesn't have the Talon Flame. I don't have to worry about that. That could be scarfed. If it's not scarfed, I hope that I can find out earlier on. Then I have some fun against him. Battlebog Greninja. Like just have to be scared because like this can be scarfed. That could Dragon Dance up. I do have stuff to hit it, and I have some Focus Sash things like Scarf. He doesn't have rocks. At least I don't think anything here gets rocks or spikes. I'm not entirely sure what Delmize's sets are, but I think for the most part I can just lead off with this. There, he leads off with this. It's not that big of a deal. Especially, I can bring out this after if he does want to just 2-hit kill me. Because then I can just protect and then outspeed. And then I do, well, actually we could find, well, if he switches out and I protect anyways. Likewise, I'm thinking here about just ice punching. Well, if he goes hard into Volcarona and I get flame body, then he kills me with Giga Drain. I could also just get the rain up. I do outspeed. I'm 188, so that's 360, 376. His max speed is Pidgeot. So max speed Pidgeot would be 375, and I would reach 376. So I think we'll just get the rain up here. He gets the confusion. I do at speed. I hear a cat outside of my room meowing. Now this is, I don't want to, well, just rocks. Yes, we break through confusion, nice. So the rocks are up. I don't see a reason not to go out to this and just protect. How much does a waterfall do? I'm thinking it would do, definitely have to do more than crunch, yeah. Sharpedo. That looks about right. The rain is up. Pidgeot. Mega. Really? Crunch does... Why does it do that much more? Oh, there we go. That's why. Am I not... Fuck. God damn it. Alright, apparently I am not, Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Just volt switch right here. Now I could have sworn... Oh, that's why. Apparently I must have changed it or something. Because I always do, when I do my Mega, I always go back to the building and choose it. Interesting. He brings this in. Is that Scarf, though? I'm going to have to... I've lost so many Mons and, like, nothing has happened. I'm just going to Shadow Ball this. We'll see if he's scarfed here. He's not scarfed. Alright, so that's not scarfed, and that's one less thing. Well, that wasn't really a problem. Kartana comes out, I have to go Doublade. Delmise. If this kills me, I get my Battle Bond Greninja. Straight up. Damn, I did not want to, Does Thunderbolt kill? Oh, I wanted him to kill me right there. He didn't kill me. This, Delmise. Shadow Ball. 69. Right, that's what that Thunderbolt is. 27 min. Does my Greninja... Oops. Oh, I really wanted my Battle Bond Greninja off there. Choice specs. Surf. Volcarona. Oh. Volcarona. This can also come out. I think this is coming out. Yep. Thanks. Hit. Just hit. Give me my Battle Bond Greninja. I don't see a reason not to, because I 2-hit everything. Actually, Ice Beam can Greninja choice specs, but not Protean. Ice Beam. 18 to 22. I guess we should kill Starmie first to make sure. Starmie. I think this is it here. Starmie Hydro Pumped Volcarona. 92. I guess it would have killed, so he's looks like that. He's 252. Alright, so that definitely would not have. Alright, so he doesn't have. Ninja. Attacker. Choice specs. Come on. Ice Beam 19 to 22. I don't see a reason, because Kartana. Yeah. Oh, we're not Protean though. I have to double check everything now. Because apparently I could have sworn maybe I'm going crazy. Choice specs, Ice Beam. Volcarona. 18 to 22. if he's well, I have to 100% go this. I have to make a double here. I have my Battle Bond Greninja now though, so I can actually throw this in. Kartana. Dark Pulse kills. Pidgeot. Attacker. Ice Beam kills. Ice Beam kills that. Ice Beam kills Kartana. Ew. Sorry about that. And Haxorus. Alright, I have to double here. We're playing with fire right now. Does he stay in now? Because this is a 50-50. I have to Ice Beam here. How much does Water Shuriken to Kartana? That's 3 hits. Alright, so that's 3 hits up here with Water Shuriken. Pidgeot, it can kill me with the Hurricane. Once again, if I get like 5 hits with Water Shuriken, V's Heat Wave, what am I thinking of here? Blade. Heat Wave would kill me. Yeah, that's GG. That even does 0. So I don't know, maybe he, well, never mind, he has no guard. Cause like that thing is normal flying, yeah, so I just lose. Alright, so we lost, so it was not good that like Sharpedo didn't have speed boost. I swore I put that on there. That Hydro Pump would have been absolutely lovely because Starmie would have been alive and I would have had a sack. So I'll grab that. So that sort of sucked. I got a little screwed there with RNG. And like, I don't know, it was a game of 50-50 there at the end because I either switched out to Blade. I mean, I still had to risk, because like you sort of saw there, he 1v1 me with the Blade versus the Kartana anyways. And I think that crit mattered. I think it would have killed me there. And then, yeah, and then after that, I mean, Greninja could have tried with the Water Shuriken, but it still would have been all rolls. Or not even rolls, it would have been, I have to hit 5 times versus this, I'm pretty sure. So that's that. And we are against Brad again. So, let's see if I can beat Brad this time around.